So hello everyone. Now we are going to learn about two important tools of machine learning, which is called Lasso and Ridge regularization technique, or Lasso and Ridge regressions. So those particular two regularization technique used in machine learning model to reduce the overfitting issues and to create a generalized model which can predict with a good accuracy. So basically, what is a regularization technique? Regularization technique in machine learning or ML. So is a method or technique used to prevent the overfitting issue. So what is overfitting? Basically, overfitting means that when a model performs well with the training data, but it's not give the proper accuracy, the proper predictions with the testing data. That's called the overfitting. So to reduce the overfitting, we have some regularization technique. One is Lasso and Ridge regressions. Lasso is also known as the L1 regularization technique, and Ridge is also known as the L2 regularization techniques. So in that particular topic, we are going to learn about the introductions to Lasso and Ridge regressions and what is the Lasso regression, the mechanics of Lasso regression, and what is the Ridge regressions. So the mechanics of Ridge regressions also. After that, we will learn about the key difference between Lasso and Ridge, those two regressions, and we will know about the applications about Lasso and Ridge regressions. So, and we need to know when we can use Lasso and Ridge. So let's have a look over here. Introduction to a Lasso and Ridge regressions. What is a Lasso and Ridge regressions? So basically, Lasso and Ridge are two powerful techniques used to in machine learning for enhancing the productive accuracy. It's meant to reduce the overfitting issue. To reduce the overfitting issue. So this technique helps to prevent overfitting by adding penalties to the loss function. So whenever in a particular instance or data sets, we have some data points, and in for regression technique, we have a best fit line, and that particular distance is called the loss. And whenever we want to create a generalized model, and that model can be predict with very accuracy with the testing data. So in that way, we need to reduce the overfitting issues. So we have two functions over here, Lasso and Ridge, to reduce that. So basically what happened in those technique, this technique help prevent overfitting to adding penalties to the loss functions, making them essentials tool in the statistician toolkit. So understanding these methods is crucial for any data scientist working with the linear models. So let's dive into the unique characteristics and applications over here. So what is the Lasso regressions? Basically, Lasso or L1 regression is absolute shrinkage and selections operator focus on variable selections and the regularization technique. So it adds a L1 penalty to the linear regressions equations, or we can say the loss functions. So with the loss functions, it add a L1 penalty. So encouraging simpler model with fewer predictors. This makes Lasso particularly useful when dealing with the high dimensional datasets. High dimensional datasets mean in that datasets, we have multiple number of features. We have multiple features over there. So each and every features denoted as a dimension. So high dimensional means multiple number of features we have in a dataset. So by reducing the number of variables, it enhances the interpretability and visualizations also. So in L1 penalty, what happened exactly in L1 penalty, we have a particular loss function. With the loss function, we add a penalty for the in case of Lasso regressions, and the penalty is L1 penalty, which is the lambda into summation of I equal to 1 to n, and after that the slope. modulus of slope. So I equal to 1 to n means number of data points, we can say, or instance data points or instance. Okay, and slope means the coefficient with the features, coefficient of the features. So whenever the slopes, value of slopes become 0, means on that time, the features will be also eliminated. In that way, it is also useful to select the feature. So that's why it's also called the feature selection technique also. So that is all about the Lasso regression, which is also known as the L1 regression technique or regularization technique, we can say. And after that, we have the and the mechanics of Lasso regression is Lasso algorithms works by minimizing the sum of squared residuals, which is called the errors or loss functions. So while adding a absolute value to coefficient to the penalty. So this result is some coefficient being shrunk to 0, effectively performing variable selections. So variable selection means those kind of features. Here, the feature is known as the variables. So after that, we have the ridge regressions. Ridge do the same things, but instead of the difference between ridge and lasso is the L2 regressions or ridge regressions just going to add the slope square instead of the modulus of slope. So the equation will be same with the loss function. The particular L2 regressions add lambda and into with a summation of I equal to 1 to n, and instead of modulus we just take the slope square. So basically in case of ridge we use that slope square, that is the derivative, or you can say the coefficient of a features. So it at a where lambda is the, where we can say the lambda is the adding a particular penalty with the loss function. So in that way, those particular two techniques used to reduce the overfitting and have a generalized model, generalized machine learning model, which is used to predict uh, with a proficiency, or you can say with a accuracy. So that's all about the region lasso regressions using in machine learning model. So thank you everyone.